Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me as we go through Braden's closet and declutter it. He has had last year's fall and winter stuff in there all summer, so it's time to get rid of that and make room for new fall items. And then also I'm going to be bringing you guys along as I go through and sell his clothes. I know a lot of you have questioned me on it before, so I'm going to show you the whole process of how I sell his clothes. It's super simple, but you can seriously make some serious money. I did two different ones in this video. So the very first one that I did, I made $200, and then after paying for shipping and stuff, shipping and expenses. And then the second one, I made over $300. It was like $330 or something like that. So I made about $550 all together after expenses, and that is what I used to buy Braden's and Tristan's fall clothes for this coming year, which I'm gonna have a haul on soon. So I wanted to get this video up before I put that one up. So anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so here is a little before of his closet. There is no light in there, so it does get a little bit dark. But basically I've just been throwing like all of his summer shirts right here. Literally I think it goes to right here, and all the rest are shirts from like last fall and winter, and they probably don't fit anymore, so I just desperately need to go through them, see what fits, what's not gonna fit, make room for new fall clothes. And at the end we're gonna go through and I'm gonna show you guys how I sell his clothes, the ones that I'm not gonna keep, because now that we have another boy, I do keep like my favorites. I've always kept my favorites, but I keep a little bit more than what I normally used to keep. However, if you guys have followed me for a while, since Tristan's been born, you guys know I have an obsession with matching them. So, yeah. Basically, they always end up getting new matching clothes anyways. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking all of this out and see what works and what's not gonna work. If you guys are new to my channel, I just wanted to take a second to say hi and welcome. My name's Tristina.
Hi, guys.
Say hi.
Hi.
I'm a stay-at-home mom to two little boys. That one's name is Braden. He's 3, and also a 7-month-old named Tristan. I basically make videos to bring you guys along on my motherhood and homemaking journey to hopefully inspire you guys and motivate you, as well as it helps inspire and motivate myself. So if that sounds like content that you would be interested in, it would mean the world to me if you'd press that subscribe button and became a part of my YouTube family. Also, don't forget to introduce yourself in the comments down below if you are new, because I love getting to know you guys. So after I took everything out, I'm just going to go ahead and put it all back in now, organized and easier for me to find. I'm going to show you when I'm all done how I go ahead and organize this. Okay, so here is the pile of clothes that I'm getting rid of from his closet, and here is what his closet, the clothes part, looks like now. I still have to go through the shoes and everything, but we actually have all of these hangers left over, when before he had not enough hangers. I had shirts thrown in here because there wasn't enough. So this is like how I organized it. I did tank tops right here, and then I did regular short sleeves, and I tried to do like color coded in each category too. Long sleeves, button downs, sweaters, sweatshirts, so I can just quickly grab them if it's a chillier day. And then back here is his snow stuff. I'm sorry about the AC, you guys, but it's hot and I'm not turning it off. Now we have to go through his drawers. They are a mess, like truly a mess. You can see everything's just been thrown in there, so messy. And I usually do like the KonMari style, so time to tackle these now. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys a few different examples of how I fold in the KonMari method. So basically when it sets, I'll lay down the pants and then I'll tuck in the sleeve on the shirt and then I fold it in threes. And so pants, you can see I fold it like 3/4 laid down and then half and half again, if that makes sense. It's kind of hard to explain, but when you're watching, I feel like it's very easy to pick up. As you can see, when it's in the drawers, it just looks so much nicer, in my opinion, folded this way. And it's easier to see everything and to get things out. You don't have to dig through clothes. You can just see exactly what you have and grab it. Okay, you guys, so now that I have gone through officially all of his clothes, we are now on the point of the resell process. What I'm going to do is, for the sale post, I'm going to go through these clothes and pick a few of like the best looking items or the items I think will do best in the sale. Like a lot of times Nike and stuff like that are very popular, and I'm going to get my picture that's going to be kind of like the default sale post picture, if that makes sense. Okay, so now that we have a picture of some items that might pull people in, that you think are going to pull people in, you're going to go ahead and make your post. I'm going to leave the groups down below that I use. Again, I'm a boy mom, so I'm in boy groups. However, I'm sure there's girl ones as well. There's so many boy ones, but I use mainly 2 specific ones that work the best for me. So I'm just going to leave those 2 down below, and you can explore if you want to find more. But all of them have different rules when it comes to what you have to state when you're posting and everything. So the rules in the group I'm in now, you have to state whether or not the shipping's included or if it's a separate price. I usually like to have the shipping included. I find that that attracts more people in. I think that on this post, actually, I didn't include the shipping, and my second post I did. The second post is where I made more money. You have to state the sizes and whether or not you have pets or if you smoke in the house, and that's basically it. So I like to use a lot of emojis because people see that and it attracts them to it. And then after you post it, I usually wait until I get some interest, so some comments on the post or likes or whatever, and then I'll start posting each item individually. This is a pain in the butt. It takes forever, but all you do is just take a picture of each item, and then you have to post with each item the brand, the size, and how much it is, and the condition. So the condition can go from very good use condition, play, excellent use condition, and basically we use abbreviations for that. So VGUC is a very good use condition, EUC is excellent use condition, play, just write out play, NWOT is new without tag, NWT, new with tag. So simple once you get the hang of it. It might seem a little confusing at first, but genuinely it is such a simple, easy process, just kind of time consuming. So after you sell all your items, you're going to go ahead and invoice everyone on PayPal. People are going to claim with their PayPal email address. And so you're going to go through and invoice everyone. I can't really show you that process because I'm not trying to show people's PayPals and everything like that. And so what I do is I print my PayPal shipping labels. That's the cheapest way to ship, is by printing your own PayPal labels. If you bring it to the post office, it's like significantly more. PayPal is definitely the cheapest way to go when selling on these boards. And I don't have labels or anything like that, so I just print it out on regular paper, and then I'm going to take some shipping tape and I just tape it onto a shipping envelope, which I didn't show it in this process because this is the first batch I did, but I was out of envelopes here, so I just ran to the dollar store actually I think Target, and got some envelopes. Your cheapest place to get envelopes is from Amazon. You can get a pack of 100 poly mailers. I just got these flamingo ones, 100 of them for $10. So that's definitely your cheapest way to go for envelopes. And then you just tape on the shipping label onto your envelope. And then I personally like to lint roll each item before packaging in, because I have dogs and dog hair is just everywhere. So then once you package it all together, you can either drop it off at the post office, or you can schedule for your mail person to pick it up during their route. So that's what I'll do if I have like a lot of packages. If there's just a couple, I'll usually just drop them off. But you have to pay attention to the rules on each group, because a lot of them state you have to have their items out within 5 business days, or you have to have your invoices out within however many hours. So just pay attention. And then every once in a while you'll get someone like a no payer or something, and usually you report those people and they get kicked out of the group, because most of the rules in most of the groups are, if you claim it, you're buying it. Don't claim it if you don't want to buy it, which I like, because it's very annoying when you take the time to send invoices and then people don't pay. So that is the process of selling the clothes, and how I made literally $500 and almost $50 in just a couple hours from selling my child's clothes. I do want to say also, if you post and don't get a lot of interest right away, don't get discouraged. Sometimes, this one actually specifically, I posted this one and didn't get a lot of interest, and then it wasn't until I did my second one where I didn't actually show you guys my second one, but that's where I made more money and people were way more interested. So sometimes you just have to post, and if you don't get a lot of interest, just do it again in a few weeks or something. Don't get discouraged like your very first time, because sometimes it does just take a while. Sometimes your post just doesn't get boosted to the top, or sometimes people just aren't interested that day, but then other people see it the next time and they are interested. But that is it for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope that maybe you'll make some money from selling your children's clothes. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to press the subscribe button. It truly means the world to me when you guys join my YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on Friday. Bye.